guys, ano kami, today is April 1. We're heading to Singapore Zoo. Kahapon holiday, so stay at home lang kami. Ayan sila, mami at daddy. Ayan, welcome to the zoo. Dito po tayo sa side ito. Ana?
Maganda pa yung taxi niya, kaya nung ano na yung absorbe.
Malambot na. Okay. Maganda pa. Apo. Yan. So, dito yung way namin papunta sa entrance. Video daddy. Okay. Ayan. We just enter yung Treetop Tail sa Singapore Zoo. So, nandito yung mga buhaya if you remember. Okay. So, Singapore Zoo visit 2025. Ayan. Parang merong 20 years yung last visit nyo rito eh. We're heading to sa Zebra na. Dito dad, may nakita niyo na yung white lion dito. Ayun na pala oh. African lion. Okay nga. There's a lion exhibit. Ayun siya oh. Mukhang matanda na rin eh. Okay guys, this fellow catch our attention. Ayan, nagpo-post pa sila. I think so. Ayan o. Ang liliit niya.
Ano yun? Baka baby ko yan. Mali talaga sila.
Oh. Nagsisiksikan sa initan eh. Heading here sa cheetah. The land diver. They just drop by doon sa African painted dog.
It's your only one class. They have to do it all together on the count of 3. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Something fast, something slow. Let's try it again. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You are all so easy to train. Let's get it. Let's get the fish and stir like that. So Raven, over to you. There we go. Look at a great job of self-control. You see he knows we're not taking that one piece of fish. He's going to get a whole lot more for his patience and for a job well done. That's what we call intelligence.
Oh!
The ocean's deadliest monster. Not a shocking outkill whale, but plastic. Plastic alone is responsible for killing over 1 million animals every year. A huge problem. Single-use plastic like plastic bags that we use, throw away, and don't think about where it ends up. Unfortunately, a lot of our rubbish ends up in the oceans of the world, and plastic bags floating in the water look a lot like food, which can be very confusing for a dolphin, a turtle, or a sea lion who can easily choke on a plastic bag and eventually die. Fish line and pieces of net left in the ocean by careless fishermen are also said to kill thousands of marine animals yearly. Fish line can tangle around the body or slip on the sea line and cause something very painful, like the broken timber. And for an animal that spends a lot of time on flippers, this can be a really painful problem. But even worse, the hanging fish net gets tangled around the sea lion. The more we struggle, the tighter the net becomes, and then what happens? They drown and they die. They're very good at it, but thank you so much. Okay. A lot of simple things we can all do to help. We can start by practicing 3 things: reduce, reuse, and recycle. A lot of easy ways to go about doing these things, and today we're going to share a couple of tips, alright? So firstly, you can reduce your waste by getting a couple of reusable bags, so that when you go shopping, you can save I don't need a plastic bag. A little bit goes a very long way over time, especially if we spread the message to people around us and encourage them to spread the message even further. And then the really cut down on waste is to stock up on reusable items like reusable takeout containers, cutlery, or one of the simplest things ever, fillable bottle. Here you see the average shop has more than 5 eco-friendly items, so if you have a bit of time, you can check it out before you leave. But just remember to buy only what you need, okay? Lastly, whatever we can reduce or reuse, we should try to recycle, not just plastic or paper, but even our old electronic items like your handphones or your computers you are no longer using. Who better doing the demonstration for us today? Let's grab a bit of plastic. All you need to do is spend 2 years to study together and video. So please join us in our flying against the oceans that is on that time. Okay, now that we are ready to finish off at a high and put his streamlined body to the test, there's a series of jumps in and out of the water. This is what we call porpoising. His whiskers are highly sensitive. This enables sea lions to detect the vibration of their prey. You might have also noticed his eyes are wide open. That's because sea lions have a special membrane that covers the eyes, allowing them to see very clearly and normal. Very good. Hey, Aiden, can you swim? Yeah, he doesn't get the watch, then you have to wait after the show. I hope you stick well. Okay, don't tell me this yet. Come over here. We're gonna move on with his magic, and hopefully you don't have to retrieve that watch from me today, okay? Move on, ready? Alright, now comes the moment of truth. Let's see how many. Called the seal. The true seals look a little bit funny on land. Ruben is going to show you how they look. And our people. Yeah, it's a little bit lazy because they have much shorter front flippers than the sea lion. Now, using these powerful front flippers enables the sea lion to move and coordinate easily on land. In fact, there are special hand flippers which swim. So Pumbaa, are you ready to swim? Pumbaa?
Alan got a problem.
What's the problem?
He don't want to swim.
Doesn't want to swim. Why not?
He said earlier on he saw something big, something scary in the pool.
In this pool, I don't see anything. But I tell you what, let's play this safe. Why don't you guys check over there and I'm going to check over here, okay? Center is all clear, nothing but rocks and water. Yes, there's nothing on my side, Pumbaa. You okay? Excellent. Okay, Pumbaa, whenever you're ready, let's show everyone how much the sea lion can swim. There's a shark in the pool, is it? Pumbaa, I tell you, you'll be breakfast. Okay, get on the video. Come on, let's turn up the speed. Kilometers per hour, and that's as fast as a moving car. Dive into the pool, leap out of the water, and touch that ball target. Alright, here it comes, and in motion. We've got a couple of boosters coming your way. Just in case you haven't figured out why we call the show. Rescue missions. This morning we're going to sub Pumbaa as the old rescue mission, but in order to do that, I need the help of one brave young volunteer. Any kids want to help me out? There are so many options today. And okay, I think I'll take the young man with a fan. Yes, Mama's boy. Fascinating animal. Sea lions are marine mammals capable of living on land. Everybody is ready and get another moment to Splash Safari. Before we start the show, just a few important reminders. Those of you who are sitting in the first 3 rows, you're sitting D. Like those. Okay, so if you don't know what that means today, you're going to get wet. Most likely you're going to get very wet. So if you're not comfortable with that, please change your seats.
Named after our fitness all-in-town, Ami Restaurant and Bistro is just a short walk away from Tram Stop 1. Apart from casual dining, this is also where breakfast is. Named after our famous Orangutan, our main restaurant and bistro is just a short walk away from Tram Stop 1. Apart from casual dining, this is also where breakfast. As you explore the zoo, you are likely to encounter another intelligent primate, the long-tailed macaques. These wild monkeys are native to Singapore. Though they are not under our care, they have made our park their home. They are habituated to the presence of humans and associated.
Okay guys, we're leaving yung tram station 4. So I'm not sure kung may 5 or we're returning to first station. Tram station number 4. Okay, ang ano niyan, opposite niyan yung Kids World. So,
Keep your eyes peeled for surprises at every corner while you enjoy the sounds of the forest.
KFC ang
You
meron.
must make your way up to the new platform. Kids
Pagkrap
World.
ba? Meron pang langka.
Kids World is where children can discover the wonderful world of animals and learn how to care for them. You and your family can befriend the amazing animals that live here through animal interaction and fun activities. Then, explore the play trees and splish splash for lights. Made up of one or more mature males,
Oh, may
several
kasamang zebra.
consolidated females, and their young. The lionesses do most of the hunting, while the male protects the pride from hyenas and rival males. Lions are also the only cat that sports a mane. The mane is believed to protect the male's throat during territorial fights with rival males. Back on your left is the world's fastest land snail. The cheetah has a flexible spine, long legs, sharp claws, and footpad ridges to help it reach an incredible speed of 115 kilometers per hour. Giraffes are the tallest animal.
Leaving tram station 3.
On your right is our herd of white rhinoceroses. Rhinos are well known for their horns, which they use for posturing, territorial battles, and self-defense.
This is where we started kanina, dito sa kabilang
To
side.
protect tigers and their
Yan
homes,
yung station
you
number 1.
participate in this catwalk program
Yes. So,
on anti-poaching
isang
patrols.
entrance.
To find out more
Ayan.
about
So, quick
conservation to tiger conservation,
quick ride lang pala talaga to.
visit
So, at least na-try, you know. Ayan,
www.mandaynation.org.
dito kanina tayo. Ito yung mga orangutang environment ng
Look up at the trees to view our free-ranging orangutans. Found in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, orangutans are the largest tree-dwelling animals.
Ay, dad, kita mo yung isa, open na oh.
Those are great
Yung orangutan dito,
branches,
pwede nga bumaba
and
siya oh.
long limbs out and reach
Wala nang
across the treetop
pero hindi
branches.
bumababa.
Our free-ranging
Hindi bu-
orangutans
pero hindi siya bumababa.
allows the animals to swim,
Pero hindi
climb, and
bumababa.
explore in the treetops as they learn to
So, ang complete nito, ilang station din lang.
We'll soon be reaching Tram Stop
Ito,
2.
at least makikita natin kung saan tayo pwedeng pumunta mamaya.
White rhinos,
Ito, tram
giraffes,
number
and
3. So,
lions.
ito yung third station nila. Uy, tilapia ba yan?
To sustain a healthy population of the tree family on this river.
Pero dito daw ang Malayan tiger.
Yan.
So, mamaya na lang kami bababa, folks, to visit yung mga yan. Mga finest animals.
Another animal which will be friends and the rest of you inside the vehicle. On your left is the Great Rift Valley of Ethiopia, home to Mohammed-rized baboons, Nubian ibexes, and rock hyrexes. We are crossing into Australasia zone on your right. Try spotting a tall, flattened herd with black feathers and bright blue neck and face. This is the Kasawal.
Guys, tayo. Stop over sa station 2. May din dito. May toilet dito, guys. Yeah. Alright, so nag-ride kami ng tram para masubukan naman natin. May ikot. at the comfort of sleeping. Okay, we are at Singapore Zoo Papanaw. Okay guys, dito na tayo sa portion ng mga orangutan. Ayan. Okay, so we are at Singapore Zoo. Ayan, so dito tayo sa area ng mga orangutan. Yan yung isa, oh. May exhibition pa siya. Oh.
Ganyan lang din yung sa mga pelikula, yung pinalalaki lang nila sa camera. Ano?
Opo. Ayan. Okay. We are here with Mommy Ine and Dad 6. Okay, they visited I think less than 20 years ago nung last visit nila rito. Upload here, tallest animal daw. Enjoying their meal. Upload. Ayun, may isa pa ron, no?
Ayun,